Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will inform you the latest makeup news, which is Holiday 2022 collection by NYX Cosmetics. So guys, NYX Cosmetics introduced their Holiday 2022 collection and the price range start from $9 to $65. So guys, first one product is 24-day advent calendar product and it's a very amazing gift set. So guys, the first one product is 24-day advent calendar and the cost is $65 and it has 24 products. So guys, another product is Mrs. Claus shadow palette and the cost is $10. Featuring 6 unique shades in each palette, release your naughty alert ego with endless holiday eye look that fly beyond the holiday. So guys, palettes include Not So Nice and Up to No Good. These are the two palettes name of these palettes and it has 6 featuring shades. So guys, if I talk about the packaging of this product, so packaging is very good as well as the shades is very amazing. Another product is Butter Gloss Trio. So guys, another product is Butter Gloss Trio and this set cost is $10 and this is mix and match set and this is very amazing product and it has 3 cult classic butter gloss shades. The shades name are Sugar Glass, Cream Brulee and Cinnamon Roll. So guys, another gift set is Soft Matte Lip Cream Dew and the cost is $10 and this gift set also very amazing and it has matte lips that are always soft and never dry. So guys, another gift set name is Sweet Treat Milkshakes Gloss Trio and the cost is $19. So guys, this Milky Gloss Milkshakes Trio that deliver milkshake shine and up to 12-hour hydration. Another gift set name is Butter Gloss Vault and the cost is $50 and it has 14 sugary sweet scented shades and buttery shine glosses. So guys, here I'm sharing the swatches and the name of these shades and I'm attaching the picture of these gift set product. Now move toward another gift set. The name is Lip XS Nude Trio and the cost is $22 and this perfect trio for all the matte lips lover this holiday season and the shade names are Neutral Nude, Soft Pink Nude, Deep Rich Nude. So guys, another lipstick set is Matte Lipstick Vault and the cost is $55 and this is very amazing gift set for the holiday season. So guys, this gift set contains 14 matte lipsticks and here I am attaching the swatches and complete lipstick shades and the name of these lipsticks. And another product is very amazing product and this name is Loud Pout Lip Kit and the cost is $15 and this is very amazing product. It has one lip gloss and one lip liner. So guys, another product is the Brow Glue Ornament and the cost is $9 and this is very amazing product and this is very amazing gift for the holiday season. So guys, another gift set is Jumbo Eye Pencil Vault and the cost is $30 and it has 8 amazing shades and here I'm sharing the swatches of this product and the picture and shades of this product. Another gift set name is Epic Wear Liner Stick Vault and the cost is $28. So guys, this gift set includes 5 amazing shades and this is very amazing product. Another product is Makeup Setting Spray Dew and the cost is $13. If you like this video, so please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you will notify the latest makeup news and coming news through my channel. So please stay tuned, stay connected, stay healthy. Bye.